Chiropractic is a form of alternative medicine that focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of mechanical disorders of the musculoskeletal system, especially the spine. Its aim is to improve physical function and relieve pain without the use of drugs or surgery. In this video, we will explore the basics of chiropractic and how it works. Chiropractic is based on the principle that the body has an innate ability to heal itself, given the right conditions. Chiropractors use a hands-on approach to manipulate the spine and other joints, with the aim of restoring alignment and proper function. This is believed to remove interference to the nervous system and improve overall health. Chiropractic works by targeting the root cause of the problem, rather than just treating the symptoms. By restoring proper alignment and function to the affected area, chiropractors aim to alleviate pain and improve mobility. Additionally, chiropractic care has been shown to help boost the immune system, improve sleep quality and relieve stress. Chiropractic offers a number of benefits for patients suffering from various conditions such as back pain, neck pain, headaches, and joint pain. It is a non-invasive, drug-free approach to healthcare that aims to restore the body's natural healing ability. Chiropractic is also generally considered safe and may be used in conjunction with other forms of treatment. Chiropractic is a viable and effective form of healthcare that offers a non-invasive, drug-free approach to pain relief and improved physical function. It works by targeting the root cause of the problem, rather than just treating the symptoms. If you are considering chiropractic care, be sure to consult with a licensed chiropractor to determine if it is right for you.